Okay, so here we are in Pivot, the Pendulum Lab, finding the relationship between angle and period. You should be here. Scroll down. Here's our first instance of the video. There are 6 multiple choice questions I'd like you to answer. Please do that. When you are done, click Lock Answer and Continue. This will allow you to open up the next section. Please read the text here. This will make things clear to you. Maybe pause the video right now, read it, and then come back to the video. Okay, this is the same video that we just saw in the first part here. Same thing, just another instance of it. We're going to use this to collect data on the angle and the period of a pendulum. We need the protractor, we need the stopwatch. We need to move the stopwatch out of the way. Play the video, and we'll see nothing happen. And then in slow motion, the person lets the pendulum start swinging, and we get 2 or 3 swings of the pendulum after that. What we're going to do is measure how long one swing of the pendulum takes. So I'm going to pause the video now, and I'm going to sweep back using the thing at the bottom. I'm looking for not the beginning, not the first swing even, but let it go through one whole swing and come back to where it started. When we get near where it started, I want you to pause the video and use these frame by frame step buttons on either side of the play pause button to find the exact moment, or as close as you can get, to when the pendulum is back where it started. So I'm going to click forward through the video, and you'll see the gap as I click gets slightly closed more and more and more and more. And there comes a point at which it becomes hard to tell if anything is actually happening because this is slow motion. So, it looks like the pendulum is already touching where it started, and it takes us a number of clicks before it starts to swing back away again, which is just barely starting to do now. We need to find somewhere, I'm going backward right now, we need to find somewhere in the middle of this where I'm just going to say, this is about right. Somewhere between when it first looks like it's touching and when it last looks like it's touching. Approximate toward the middle. At this point, the video should be paused. We should be right here. Reset your stopwatch now. It's zeroed out. It thinks it's frame 0 or well into the video, but that's okay. It's going to count frames forward or backward from here. So now we play the video. Swings out, swings out, swings out, swings back. And again, we pause it when it gets back to kind of near where it started. And I use the frame by frame step buttons to find the moment when the pendulum is most paused and about to reverse direction again. Somewhere in here. It's going to be a little bit approximate. In fact, it may be 10 to 12 frames approximate. That's okay. Each frame is a very small portion of a second, so it shouldn't affect your data much. We should have fine data. So we've now captured one full swing on the stopwatch, out and back again. Now note the angle. It's a little bit past 5 degrees. I'd say this is 6 degrees. Hold that measurement in mind, 6 degrees, and then look at the time, 1.2792 seconds. At this moment, we take this data to Desmos, but that's the next video. Thank you.